So today 11 p.m. I came to visit the Sabarmati Ashram, which is a Mahatma Gandhi home, along with Kasturba Gandhi, who used to stay here from 1916 to 1930. So let's explore together with me. And this is the Chauri Chaura accident happened during the non-cooperation movement. So I am going to explore. The Chauri Chaura incident occurred at Chauri Chaura in the Gorakhpur district of the United Province in the British India on 4 February 1922 when a large group of protesters participating in non-cooperation movement clashed with the police who opened fire, and the protester becomes violence when protesting people set fire a police station, burning 22nd policemen alive, and Lord Reading served as the Viceroy of India that time 1921 to 1926. So this is the Chauri Chaura incident. So let's explore together with me. I am also going to explore many more places. So So this is the charkha of Mahatma Gandhi in this ashram. So let's see where he used to run this charkha. Charkha used by Karamchand Guru to spin the finest yarn in 1924. Civil disobedience is opposed to criminal or immoral disobedience. Civil disobedience, therefore, can be conformed only to those laws which do not carry any moral sanction. But a civil register will hesitate to commit any attack upon the rights for others. A civil register will therefore not impute motives but examine each act and merits. Civil disobedience is therefore based upon love and follow feeling. So this is about the civil disobedience movement. My notion of democracy is that under it the weakest should have the same opportunity as the strongest. No country in the world today shows any but patronizing regards for the weak. Western democracy at its functions today is difficult fancyism. True democracy cannot be worked by 20 men sitting at the center. It has to be worked from below by the people of every village. That is a democracy. Day and duty. I say that through violence we cannot obtain even what is ritually ours. There is only one way to obtain our rights, which I have explained and which everyone liked. It has been asked what are one's rights and what one must to do obtain them. I say that people have no rights. He who does not have duties has no rights either. It means that all rights arise out of one duties. Therefore, there are no rights. It is merely that I fulfill certain duties and I get the result of performing them. These results are my rights. Rights and duty. This is the image of Mahatma Gandhi when Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi March, that is also known as the Salt March in 1930, along with the followers and activities that time who were arrested in 1930. That was a part of civil disobedience movement. So let's see how it is. And that time Mahatma Gandhi broke the law of salt and salt. Yes. So let's see the image of Salt March. And many more followers are also followed him that time together with them to break the law of salt. So really this is a very good image. And this is the statue of Kasturba Gandhi, who was a wife of Mahatma Gandhi, who used to stay there with Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see, this is the something on notice board written regarding the Kasturba Gandhi. So Kasturba Gandhi and ashram. So Mahatma Gandhi told that Kasturba played a significant role in Gandhi's life as well as in his ashram life. Gandhiji once said that without Kasturba's cooperation, it would never have been possible for me to achieve so much. That was told by Gandhi. So this is the charkha of Mahatma Gandhi, where he used to run that time in Sabarmati Ashram. So let's see the charkha. And this is the garden in this ashram, which is located on the bank of Sabarmati river also. In backside there is Sabarmati river. This is the thought of Mahatma Gandhi regarding the proprietary. The liquor shops are an insufferable curse imposed upon society. Ethics. The educated class must certainly refrain from making itself a cause of injustice in this manner if it can do nothing else. Swasth. With unhealthy bodies, we cannot give our best in the service of India. Untouchability. Untouchability is a soul destroying sin. Caste is a social evil. Gender equality. I make no distinction between man and woman. Women should feel just as independent as a man. Women empowerment. And compromising in the matter of women rights. Celebrating the girl child. I should treat the daughters and sons on a footing of perfect equality. Vocational learning. After the Ahmedabad strike, I have come into contact with a number of weavers. About 300 women have started working the rentier. These women were unemployed. They are unemployed now. They used to labor for wages, but now they have found an independent vocation. Swadeshi. Swadeshi will be a source of strength to those who take it, and with this strength it will be possible to promote the growth of the industry. Swachhta. You should so mold your nature that cleanliness becomes a part of it. If you find uncleanness anywhere, you should be unable to bear it. So these are the part of this ashram, like Hirday Kunj, Vinova Kutir, Mira Kutir, Upasana Mandir, Magar Niwas, Nandini Udyog Mandir, Imam Manzil, Charlie for Armitage, Panditji Charlie, Somnath, Chatralya, Gichen, Orchi, Jamuna Kutir, Primary School. These are the part of this ashram, and this is a map of all ashram. So let's see. And this is the theater. This is the theater room. So let's see. There is a screen there. We can see the movie of biography of the Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see. This is the theater, and in this theater there is no one right now. Some people are coming and going from here. So this is the small theater in Sabarmati ashram. So this is the Sabarmati river, which is flowing in Ahmedabad on the Ahmedabad, and Sabarmati ashram is situated on the bank of river Sabarmati, where Mahatma Gandhi used to stay here. So let's see the view of Sabarmati river. It is also looking very good river, and this is the view of Sabarmati river front. So thank you. Let's explore together with me all over Sabarmati river and ashram. Thank you.